Hello, I am Oliver, an AI-generated voice. I have created an avatar who will review the book Atomic Habits written by James Clear. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.
Atomic Habits by James Clear is a comprehensive guide on how to build good habits, break bad ones, and master the tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. The book emphasizes the power of small incremental changes and offers practical strategies to create lasting habit transformation. Clear starts by explaining the concept of atomic habits, small, seemingly insignificant actions that compound over time to produce significant results. He argues that focusing on 1% improvements can lead to remarkable progress over the long term, emphasizing the importance of consistency and gradual improvement. The book is structured around the 4 laws of behavior change, which form the core of Clear's habit-building philosophy. 1. Make it obvious. First law involves making your desired habits clear and visible. Clear discusses the importance of cues in initiating habits and suggests strategies such as habit stacking, linking new habits to existing ones, and designing your environment to make good habits more apparent. For example, placing a book you want to read on your pillow to remind you to read before bed. 2. Make it attractive. The second law focuses on making habits appealing. Clear explains that we are more likely to adopt behaviors that we find enjoyable. He recommends techniques like temptation bundling, pairing a habit you want to adopt with an activity you enjoy, and leveraging social influence by surrounding yourself with people who exhibit the habits you want to emulate. 3. Make it easy. The third law is about reducing friction and making habits easy to perform. Clear emphasizes the importance of starting small and gradually increasing the difficulty of the habit. He introduces the concept of the 2-minute rule, which suggests that any new habit should take less than 2 minutes to complete initially, making it easier to start and maintain. 4. Make it satisfying. Fourth law highlights the role of immediate rewards in reinforcing habit. Clear explains that our brains are wired to repeat behaviors that are immediately satisfying. He suggests tracking your habits and celebrating small wins, create positive reinforcement, and build momentum. Clear also discusses the inverse of these laws for breaking bad habits. Make them invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. He emphasizes the importance of identity-based habits, where the focus is on becoming the type of person who embodies the desired behaviors rather than just achieving specific outcomes. For instance, instead of aiming to run a marathon, one should aim to become a runner. Throughout Atomic Habits, Clear uses a mix of scientific research, anecdotes, and practical advice to illustrate his points. He underscores the importance of systems over goals, suggesting that focusing on the process rather than the outcome leads to more sustainable success. The book concludes with a reminder that habits are a continuous process, not a destination. By making small, consistent changes, anyone can achieve extraordinary results and build a life of continuous improvement.
Thank you for listening to this review. If you have liked and enjoyed this, kindly consider liking and subscribing to our channel.